To troubleshoot an ETRADE margin account, start by understanding what a margin account is and how it works. A margin account allows you to borrow money from ETRADE to purchase securities, with the securities in your account serving as collateral for the loan. First, check your account balance and available margin to ensure you have sufficient funds to cover your trades. If you receive a margin call, it means your account balance has fallen below the minimum required margin. To resolve this, you can deposit more funds, sell some of your securities, or transfer funds from another account. Next, review your trading activity to identify any potential issues. Check for any pending trades, open orders, or unsettled transactions that may be affecting your account balance. Make sure you understand the trading fees and interest charges associated with your margin account, as these can impact your overall balance. Another key step is to monitor your margin usage and maintain a healthy margin ratio. This ratio compares the amount of margin you are using to the total value of your account. ETRADE requires a minimum margin ratio, and if you fall below this threshold, you may receive a margin call. To avoid margin calls, set up account alerts and notifications to inform you when your account balance falls below a certain level. You can also set a stop-loss order to automatically sell a security when it falls to a certain price, helping to limit potential losses. Finally, familiarize yourself with ETRADE's margin policies and procedures, including their margin requirements, interest rates, and payment terms. By understanding these policies and taking steps to manage your margin account effectively, you can minimize the risk of margin calls and make the most of your trading opportunities.